Want to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram? I will show you how. So basically, you can create a little trap to be able to find out who is stalking your Insta account. Firstly, let's open up the Instagram and I'm gonna go to my profile in the down right corner and then click the three lines at the top to access settings and activity. First thing we need to do is to scroll a bit down until the section for professionals and here click account type and tools. And now we're gonna switch to professional account because it will give us access to many cool Instagram features including analytics, insights about your account and so on. So we're gonna tap on that. Tap on the next. Here you can also choose what best describes you and select either the display on profile or not. I'm gonna just tap digital creator and click switch to professional. Just wait approximately 30 seconds and then choose either a creator or business. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna select creator and this one we're gonna skip by tapping the cross. Now, what I suggest you to do is to create a highlight. If you already have highlights, you can just tap new button, then select any of your old stories, let's say this one, and I'm gonna click next. And now we need to give this highlight a spicy name. For example, my new trip. So I just added this keyword new so the stalker would be interested in this highlight. I'm gonna click on add at the top right and wait for the highlight to be created. And yes, here it is. Now when your stalker will just open your page, he could just tap on this my new trip highlight, view your basically story, and you can just swipe it up, tap on the people here, and you'll be able to see accounts which viewed your story. And that's it. Hit subscribe to see more useful content.